Hi, I'm Dr. Quenby Erickson, and I'm the owner of Erickson Cosmetic Dermatology Laser and Med Spa. I'm going to talk to you about Coolsculpting. It's one of my favorite treatments. Coolsculpting is based on a phenomenon called popsicle paniculitis. Basically, when fat freezes, 20% of the fat in that area is actually going to die. And so with Coolsculpting, we can freeze specific areas that you're unhappy with and shrink them. We can treat not only the upper and lower abdomen, but we can also treat the flanks, the bra fat, the inner and outer thighs, as well as the Cool Mini for your lower chin. Off-label, we can treat both the upper arm area and male gynecomastia. Now, because of the addition of all these new handpieces, we're actually able to get you a transformation that is very similar to liposuction, but without the downtime. When you come in for Coolsculpting, you're going to have a head-to-toe consultation with us, where we're going to do assessments and decide what a treatment for transformation would look like for you. The second step is deciding on which areas we're going to treat today. Those areas will be marked and photographed. After we do the markings, we're going to attach the device to you. It's going to draw in your tissue and slowly decrease the temperature to the therapeutic level. During the first 10 minutes, you're going to start to feel the cool, but after about 10 minutes of the treatment, you're numb and it's very comfortable. The treatment is going to take less than an hour per area. When the treatment time ends, we remove the device and we do a massage segment for 2 minutes. Once the area has been massaged out, we will either treat another area or your treatment will be completed. In terms of what to expect after a Coolsculpting treatment, there can be some swelling and some bruising. Really, there's very little to no downtime with this treatment. Discomfort is very minimal. About 10% of the people will have delayed onset pain starting about 4 days after the treatment, which lingers about a week. Usually, most of the side effects of the treatment are starting to resolve in 1 week, and you're going to start to see the results of your treatment in 3 to 4 weeks. The results of Coolsculpt are actually permanent. There is a 20 to 25% reduction in fat cells in the area that has been treated. So many people ask, how many treatments am I going to need? Well, actually, you're going to have an improvement in your shape with every treatment that you do. Some people are going to need additional treatments in specific areas to get the optimal result. After your treatment, if you gain weight, it is known that you'll gain weight proportionate to your new shape. There have been actually studies that show that if one side is treated and another side is not treated, say of the love handles, you will see after gaining weight that the love handle that was treated still looks better than the love handle that wasn't treated. If you're wondering if you're a good candidate for Coolsculpt, the best way to find out is to come in and have a consultation with us. If you have a pesky, stubborn area of fat that you just can't get rid of no matter how often you go to the gym, if that area of fat is a problem area for you even when you're skinny, that's the perfect spot to start with Coolsculpt. Alternatively, if you really are just unsatisfied with your shape and you're maybe even starting an exercise regimen and you have a few areas that you'd like to have a jump start on, Coolsculpt is probably also a good candidate for you. Basically, if you have a pinchable area of fat, we can probably treat it. Everybody always wants to know, where does the fat go? And while I've heard some pretty outlandish ideas from patients, actually it's just metabolized like food. Coolsculpt is a very safe treatment. It's been around since 2009, and there really is no downtime with this treatment. It's not like liposuction. This is really an in-office procedure that is non-invasive and treats only your subcutaneous fat.